OpenGL says from _param received a non-contiguous array. After installing Yosemite, I had to upgrade numpy, pyopengl, etc. Now, a previously working program is giving me the following stack trace. It looks like pyopengl wants my array to be contiguous. Looking at the source in numpy_formathandler.pix in pyopengl. And pyarray_isArray R evaluates true if the data area of R is C-style contiguous, and pyarray_isBehaved R is true. Whereby pyarray_isBehaved R evaluates true if the data area of R is aligned and writable and in machine byte order according to its descriptor. However, the flags attribute of the array that was pushed to OpenGL is. Perhaps I need to align the array? But using numpy.require with requirements equals aligned column true doesn't seem to work. I looked at the changes in numpy 1.9, which indicate there is a new compile time environment variable p_relaxed_strides_checking. If this variable is set to 1, then numpy will consider more arrays to be C or F contiguous. For example, it becomes possible to have a column vector which is considered both C and F contiguous simultaneously. The new definition is more accurate, allows for faster code that makes fewer unnecessary copies, and simplifies numpy's code internally. However, it may also break third-party libraries that make too strong assumptions about the stride values of C and F contiguous arrays. It is also currently known that this breaks Cython code using memory views, which will be fixed in Cython. This will become the default in a future release, so please test your code now against numpy built with np_relaxed_strides_checking equals 1 Python setup plotpy install. You can check whether np_relaxed_strides_checking is in effect by running np.ones10 order equals C. Flags.f_contiguous. These will be true if relaxed strides checking is enabled, and false otherwise. The typical problem we've seen so far is C code that works with C contiguous arrays, and assumes that the item size can be accessed by looking at the last element in the pyarray_strides or array. When relaxed strides are in effect, this is not true, and in fact, it never was true in some corner cases. Instead, use pyarray_item size R. However, np.ones10 order equals C.flags.f_contiguous is false on my system. So I'm stumped. What changed that is causing OpenGL to think that the arrays I'm sending it are not contiguous and aligned? Is there a way to align an array by force?
This is probably related to this bug in NumPy 1.9 to which no one is assigned this URL.